I gotta turn my machine on here first. It is pouring down rain. I need to keep a close eye on the truck right now because sketchy people are parked right next to us. Oh, I need to change my frequency here. Not get it too wet here. Right. Not even a beat. Big iron. Oil.
Yeah.
Dang, dude. Oh, Jim's got a beat. Penny? Junk. Yeah. Iron.
Yeah.
Another necklace there. Some jewelry. I found another necklace earlier this morning. Jim found a necklace just now. This one sounds junky. I'm gonna go for it. It sounds horrible. This is. I'm gonna look real close over there because sketchy people are parked right next to Jim and I. So. Foil. Keep a really close eye on the vehicle because they're screaming. They're screaming at somebody. The guy went over there. Guy came over here to the bathroom just for like 30 seconds and is going back to the car there. Just sketchy people, man. That's why I like hunting with other people, right, in parks, right, because the parks are just getting too sketchy, man. Yep. Not looking too good, dude. That's flooded, man. Parks is just flooded right now. Huh? Sounds like it. You hear the iron coming through?
Yeah. That might be deep.
No. You're right to it. A little bit deeper. Right there. Should come out. The roots. Oh boy. Yeah, deep, bad roots. Pull tab. I cannot believe it, dude. That thing was in the roots. Foil there.
That almost like junk on mine.
Overload. I'll pick up the foil. Something very small here. I don't know yet. My glasses are all have a bunch of water on them, so I can't see very good. Oh, it's a little pendant, some jewelry.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait a here.
See?
Oh shit, that's a St. Christopher.
Yeah, St. Christopher pendant right there.
I'm done.
Bam! 74 kilohertz, smacking the tiny stuff out. Darn it. Of course. There we go. Thank you for watching. Boy, what a nasty day, huh?